Here's how to apply nail extension gel properly. Extension gel can be used to lengthen nails. Then you can design many styles. Nail forms used with extension gel are softer and have a higher arch compared to nail tips, making them easier to remove. There are generally two ways to use nail extension gel. First method, choose a nail form that is slightly larger than your own nail. Squeeze an appropriate amount of gel from the back edge of the nail form. Do not tap the gel directly with a brush. Pour some diluent into the container. Dip the brush into clean water and flatten the extension gel until the thickness is even. Press on the nail plate. Do not press too hard, as it may cause the gel to shift. Cure for 60 seconds after wiping excess gel. Remove the nail form. File to desired shape. Finish. Second method, operate directly on the nail plate. Note, do not press too much gel. Do not put the gel at the end of the nail. Do not let nail tip end touch the gel first. Avoid pressing while pushing it forward. Squeeze the gel near the tip of the nail onto the middle lower part of the nail. Let the middle of the form touch the gel first. Use a clip to hold the finger. Dip the brush into diluent and flatten the extension gel. Turn your hand upside down. Pat onto extension gel to smooth and even out. Cure for 60 seconds after wiping excess gel. Remove the form. File to desired shape. Finish. Once you've mastered extension gel, you can combine it with other products like chrome powder and color gel to create your favorite styles.